Hello, 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 everybody. Couple things that I want to go over. Today is Wednesday, January the 8th. On Monday, coming up, we will be doing an experiment in our science room. I need everybody in fifth grade to bring in five, not quarters, not dimes, not nickels, but I need 5 pennies. The dirtier the penny, the better. We're gonna demonstrate the effects of acid rain on certain metals. I need dirty pennies. You can just leave them in your locker. No, I'm not gonna keep them. You can have them back. We're gonna clean them for one period. I'm gonna show the effects of acid rain. Does everybody understand that? So by Monday, I need 5 pennies. You can just put them in a baggie. You could leave them in your pocket, put them in your locker. Monday morning, you need 5 pennies. I'm not going to give everybody 5. Bring in 5 pennies. So you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You have 6 days to get ready. 6 days to get ready for that. Next thing. We have a quiz coming up this Friday. So everybody, you have your notes ready to go. Now, moms and dads, over break, and when we return, I show the kids how to embed videos into their notes. So if there's something that they do not understand, they can now watch the video. We explain things in class, but now they can watch the video. Now, for all those people asking, what should I study for the quiz? And this is a quiz, not a test. This quiz is going to have, let's say, 15 to 20 questions, each one worth 5 points. So this is a nice, small quiz just to make sure everybody's studying their notes. Anything that in your notes that has been highlighted a different color. Now, you're going to say, how do I know it's highlighted? You know it's highlighted because if it's highlighted on mine and it's a different color, then it needs to be highlighted on yours. This deals with water. So things that you should know is the 2 types of water, fresh water, salt water. Water underneath the ground is called groundwater. The 3 states of water that you can find it in solid, liquid, and gas. These are all great questions. Liquid water exists in what form? Here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 points right there. If I go, give me examples of liquid water. If I say, give me examples of frozen water, just write in your notes. Frozen water right here, snow, hail, frost, glaciers, icebergs. Here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 points right there. The types of frozen water that you can find on planet Earth. Make sure that you know that. It is in your notes. All right? Know what the water cycle is. The water cycle is how water moves throughout the atmosphere, throughout planet Earth. It goes from a gas to a liquid to a solid. Make sure that you know how water evaporates. It condenses and it's precipitation. Make sure that you know that. There's no excuses if you don't. Right here, the water cycle is. The most important part of that water cycle is Mr. Sun. You have to know him. Mr. Sun is the most important thing, a part of that water cycle. All right? Know what a drought is. These are all great questions that could be on a quiz. Know how a hurricane forms and why. Know the 2 types of currents that you have to worry about in the United States. The Gulf Stream current and the California current. Right now, they're both affecting our weather. Right now in California, you have a lot of high winds. It's dry. They have a lot of forest fires right now. A lot of wildfires. Right now, we're getting all this moisture on Friday evening. And down in the south, they're having ice storms because this current, the Gulf Stream current, is picking up a lot of moisture and it's pushing it up to our direction, to the northeast. You have this huge cold front coming down from Canada, and it's turning that warm air into ice. Make sure that you know that. Think what else? Oh, hurricanes. Mom's dad. This is where we started to embed videos into their notes so they know how to do that now. They can watch their notes. Know what the center of that storm is called, the eye. Know that in a hurricane, yes, you have to worry about the high winds. Yes, you have to worry about flooding from the rain. Something that people don't realize that's extremely dangerous, now that we realize, is that storm surge, those huge waves that crash up and flood the coast. Make sure that you know that. Make sure you know how many different categories of hurricanes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a homework assignment on that tonight, on Wednesday, so you can't say you did not know about that. Know what acid rain is. Acid rain is when water from the atmosphere, whether it be rain and snow, mixes with pollution, and it forms acid rain. It's coming from factories. Now, this is a picture of the U.S. Steel factory in Gary, Indiana. That pollution mixes with the rain clouds, the storm clouds. When it rains, when it storms, then we have the acid rain coming down. That acid rain can and will kill fish. They will pollute the rivers, the lakes, the streams. Make sure that you know that. All right? I am here if you need me. Today is Wednesday. I'm sending it out Wednesday. You have Thursday. We have a homework assignment. Mom's dad, they have a homework assignment. It's on paper. They have it. If they don't have it, points are coming out of their grade book, coming right out of their scores. Get it done. Moms, dads, I haven't given homework in probably a month and a half, so I don't want to hear anyone saying I cannot get it done. That's an excuse. I don't give much homework. They have to get this one done. End of story. If you need me, I'm here, 412-655-3111, extension 3105. Hey, everyone study. See you later. Bye-bye.